Welcome to Tech BMW T19. Today we discuss about the Speedy hauler rickshaw is a modern innovation in the world of transportation, designed to combine efficiency, eco-friendliness, and practicality. Unlike traditional rickshaws, which are manually pedaled or require significant physical effort, the Speedy hauler is equipped with advanced motorized technology. This makes it ideal for urban environments where swift and reliable transport is essential. Its lightweight frame and streamlined design ensure that it can navigate crowded streets and narrow lanes with ease, making it a perfect choice for both passengers and small cargo deliveries. One of the standout features of the Speedy hauler rickshaw is its commitment to sustainability. Powered by an electric motor or hybrid energy system, it significantly reduces carbon emissions compared to traditional fuel-powered vehicles. This makes it an excellent choice for cities aiming to tackle pollution and reduce their carbon footprint. The rickshaw is also designed with durability in mind, incorporating high-quality materials that ensure a longer lifespan and lower maintenance costs. With a spacious interior and ergonomic seating, passengers can enjoy a comfortable ride while contributing to a cleaner environment. The versatility of the Speedy hauler rickshaw makes it a valuable addition to any community. It can serve as a reliable mode of transportation for commuters, a delivery vehicle for local businesses, or even a tool for mobile services such as food carts or medical units. Its adaptability and user-friendly design have made it popular in both developing and developed regions, providing a cost-effective solution to various transport needs. In essence, the Speedy hauler rickshaw is more than just a vehicle, it's a step toward a more efficient and sustainable future.